How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Android screen while watching a video. So obviously you have YouTube's inbuilt method to lock the screen if you come to the settings, and then you can lock the screen. But there is another method in the Android settings if you're using something that isn't YouTube, or you just don't like that feature. So you would open up your settings and come down to accessibility, and then open up the interaction and dexterity menu, and then come down and come into interaction control. You want to turn this on, and it'll tell you that certain functions will be turned off, so confirm that. And then it tells you below how to activate it, so you press the side and volume up buttons. So next up, just find your video, and then you can play it. And then this is when you activate the interaction control, so the volume up on the side button. And then you want to block the whole screen, so the whole screen is locked, and then press done. And as you'll see, interaction control is activated. So if I press anywhere on the screen, it won't respond because we've locked it. And then to turn it off, you would simply press the volume up and the side button again. So that's how to lock Android screen while watching a video. Thank you for watching.